Keep the light on.
Do your goose call.
She kind of has the concerned look that Grandpa has. What are you doing, do ya? Is she on the verge of tears?
I don't know.
She's like, that is just weird. Mom, can you help me out here? Mom? Oh! Oh, that was kind of relaxing. Oh. Get the lips in there. That's why they kicked him out of band. Yeah. I think she's trying to do it with her lips. I'm done.